again, line this up. From this to this, I'm going to show you in this video how I tile these walls. I will show you how I flatten the walls using my straight edge, thin set, some patch material, whatever I had laying around, and I'm going to show you the setting of these 18 by 18 porcelain tiles. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to actually be showing you tiling the office that I'm doing this video from right here. So this is actually in my home. I do all my work for my business in this office that I'm working on in this video, in the chair I'm sitting in right now from the same office making this video, believe it or not. And you know, everything's tiled up, done. This video, you know, these clips are from probably about 3-4 years ago now. I just never got around to you know, doing a video with it, but I figured this will be a decent video for you guys to see. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is, you know, tiling these walls with these 18 by 18s, and you know, first step that I do with any tile installation is getting the substrate as flat as possible. In this case, is the walls. You know, I tend to use a patch material these days, but back then I used a thin set, or you know, medium bed that you can build up to 3/4. But if you have the time, a thin set will work up to 1/4 inch, and a medium bed up to 3/4. It just doesn't screed as good as a patch material because it's really sticky. Well, but this was my own house. You know, I'm not worried about things being an issue, and I'm still using the correct material at the right thickness, so it won't be an issue. But you know, I had the time in this. I had thin set laying around, so I'm going to use it. But one thing to say, if you're going to use a thin set to screed, make sure you're not exceeding its total thickness. And the thing is, it doesn't screed as good. It'll really stick to your trowel, and you know, it doesn't work as good. So if you use it, you see what I mean. So I used what I had. But anyway, here I am screeding out this section here to get it nice and flat for this tile install. As the video goes, I will keep doing some voiceovers here to show you how I went about this. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an example right here with a straight edge, how flat I actually got these walls. Just a quick example right here. This, I believe, was the 6-foot straight edge. If you want to use the longest one you can in the areas you're working on to make sure that it comes out nice and flat. Okay, now that I got all the walls prepped, everything is flat. On this installation, I use a ledger board going across from my first row. How I went through in this office area, I did all the walls first. I did the floor, then I cut the walls in down to the floor. You can do it either way, but in most situations, I like to do the floor first, then have the walls sit on top of it. It's just easier in each way, and it comes out better. So, as always, I'm keying my wall at the flat side of my trowel, and then I'm notching the back of the tile on this job. A lot of the bigger tiles, like usually 18 by 18, 12 by 24s, I won't spread the wall most of the time. It really depends. It's just quicker, cleaner, more efficient. Just spread it on the tile, less mess, cleaner. Everything is works out. But do whatever works for you. For me, I usually do it that way. And as always, I like a 1/2-inch square notch trowel, so that's what I use on this job. This project here, everything went relatively smooth. I didn't have to really build out much at all because I got the walls nice and flat. So I'm just going to continue on with the install here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and while you're at it, if you want to know when I do more videos and exactly when they come out, hit that bell. You get an email, text, whatever it is, however they notify you, however you want them to notify you when my videos come out so you don't miss them. I do anywhere from 1 to 2 videos every single week that has to do with tile, installation, bathrooms. That's what I specialize in. I'm in the Central Jersey area. That's all I got for today. Probably do time lapse for the rest of the video. I might do voiceover. You're just gonna have to stay tuned and see for yourself. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Donnie D, signing off. Here's my line. Line this up. Make sure we're in that line nice and tight to the back here so it's square and straight. Line that up. Square. Once is usually all you need. in most cases.